Dragonflies are ancient insects dating back over 300 million years and are renowned for their incredible flying abilities. They can hover, fly backward, and reach speeds up to 30 miles per hour. With compound eyes comprising nearly 30,000 lenses, dragonflies have exceptional vision, detecting even the slightest movement. Found near water, they play a crucial ecological role by controlling mosquito populations. Dragonflies begin life as aquatic larvae, spending most of their early years underwater before emerging as stunning adults.